Today we're going to do some Tai Chi for stress relief, starting off with the basic Tai Chi stance. So your feet are shoulder width apart, pointing straight forward, and you're looking to have a straight, upright yet relaxed back. Bending the knees a little bit, not too much. You never want the knees to extend beyond the toes. Sitting down and relaxing with the hips. You don't want to thrust forward with the hips, as this creates a lot of tension in the thighs. Yeah, so just relaxing the hips down. This gets rid of the curve in the lower back. To get rid of the curve in the upper back, pull up from the top of the head, relax the shoulders, relax the chest. Okay, so you've got your basic Tai Chi stance. Standing in this Tai Chi stance, we'll start off with some basic breathing exercises. So for this, you can put one hand over the lower belly, one hand over the chest, and you're going to breathe deeply into the diaphragm. So it's the hand on the belly that rises and sinks rather than the hand on the chest. So when you breathe in, the belly goes large, and breathing out, belly goes flat. Breathe in, belly goes large, and breathe out, belly goes flat. You're breathing in and out through the nose. Allow the breath to naturally get slower and deeper. You don't have to hold the breath or force it. There's no pauses in it. Just naturally allow it to slow down. Breathing in and the belly goes large. Breathing out and the belly goes flat. Breathe in and the belly goes large. Breathe out and the belly goes flat. From here, you're just going to let the hands fall to the sides. Still in your Tai Chi stance and doing the deep breathing. We're going to try and get the breath to move the arms. So when you breathe in, the belly goes large. It's like a balloon inside you inflates and the arms float out or forwards. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates and the arms come in. Breathing in, belly goes large, balloon inflates, arms go out. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates and the arms come in. Now there's a couple of things you can do here to enhance sensation in this exercise. First, you want to keep space under the armpits, enough room to hold an egg. Second, the hands, you want to have a hollow in the palm of the hands, but the fingers extended. So not soft and floppy like this, not totally rigid, just a bit of intention coming through the fingers to guide your internal energy to the ends of the fingers and hands here. And with the hands by the side, in your Tai Chi position, breathe in, belly goes large, balloon inflates, arms go out. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates, arms come in. Going on to the first Tai Chi Qigong breath. Straightening the legs, tracing a sphere in front of you, arms come up to shoulder height, and then sinking, hands coming in to over the lower belly, over an area known as dantian. So I'm coordinating my legs as I straighten and my arms as they come up to shoulder height, and I'm coordinating them again on the way down as I'm sinking my body and the hands coming in. I'm also coordinating my breath. So here I'm breathing in, and here breathing out. Here breathing in, and breathing out. Let the breath lead the movement. And we're going to come to a close here. You can just put one hand, one palm, over the other palm, over dantian. Dantian is a major energy centre where you store your internal energy. It's a few inches below the belly button and a few inches inside. So in this position, you can just breathe into the area, breathing in and out until you feel a bit of heat from the hands entering the body. And to finish off, just taking a deep breath and relax. Let the arms drop to the side. Come out of your Tai Chi stance and slowly go about your day.